What type of fabric is best suited for powder or liquid detergent to be used on?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into an often overlooked aspect of doing laundry, choosing the right type of detergent for your fabrics. Is it powder? Or is it liquid? The choice can significantly impact the longevity and freshness of your clothes. Let's get started.
What are the key differences between powder and liquid detergent?
Powder and liquid detergents fundamentally serve the same purpose, to clean your clothes. However, they do have a few notable differences. Powder detergent is typically cheaper and more environmentally friendly, but it can sometimes leave residue if not used correctly. On the other hand, liquid detergent dissolves better in water and is generally better at removing greasy or oily stains.
Which fabrics are best suited for powder detergent?
Powder detergents are excellent for general and heavy-duty washing. They're great for washing cotton, linen, and durable synthetics. These types of fabrics can withstand the abrasive nature of powder detergents, which are particularly good at removing mud and ground in dirt. Remember that powder detergent should be fully dissolved before adding your clothes to prevent any residual deposits. If you're doing a cold wash, this is particularly important.
Which fabrics are best suited for liquid detergent?
Liquid detergents excel at removing grease, oil, and food stains. They're best for fabrics such as silk, wool, and other delicate materials, as well as colored clothes. Liquid detergents are less abrasive than their powdered counterparts, so they're gentle on delicate fibers. Pre-treatment of stains with a small amount of liquid detergent can significantly enhance stain removal. This makes it an excellent choice for garments with stubborn or pre-existing stains. The best type of detergent for your laundry ultimately depends on the type of fabric and the kind of dirt or stains present. While powder detergent is best for heavy-duty washing of robust fabrics, liquid detergent is your go-to for delicate fabrics and tough grease or oil stains. Remember to always check the care labels on your garments before washing. This will ensure your clothes stay fresh, clean, and vibrant for years to come. Thank you for joining us today in this journey into the world of laundry detergents. Happy washing!